Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadgetgig. Amazfit has launched the Band 7 in India, and today in this video, we will show you the unboxing and will tell you how it performs. So here is the box of the Amazfit Band 7, and in the front, we have the picture of the fitness tracker and the model Band 7 written here. And at this side, we have the key features such as its 5 ATM water resistant, heart rate and SpO2 monitoring, you get the sleep and stress monitoring, long battery life, large HD AMOLED display, 120 plus sports modes, and you also get the auto sport recognition. At the back of the box we can see the companion app Zep is available for both Android and iOS. And guys, the launch price of this fitness tracker is just ₹2,999, and you can also apply a coupon code to get additional ₹200 off and get it for ₹2,799, which is a very good pricing. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So in the box first we have the fitness tracker itself, and my first impression is that it feels well built. We will look at the band in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the user guide, and here we have the magnetic charging cable which connects at the back of the band like this. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the band closely. Amazfit Band 7 is a budget fitness tracker, and guys, the pricing of this band in US is around $50, which is around 4,000 rupees. But Amazfit has launched this band in India under ₹3,000, which is very good. Now in terms of the design and build quality, I find the build quality very good, and design wise, the fitness tracker looks pretty good. In terms of the straps, you get the push button style strap here, and guys, you can also change the straps for this fitness tracker. Now in terms of the overview, we have the 1.47-inch AMOLED display in this band, and there is no physical button, so controls are gesture based. At the back we have the sensors along with the charging points. So overall in terms of design and build quality, the Band 7 offers good build quality and design, and it also feels comfortable on the hand. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So for pairing, we need the app Zep, and here go to the add device section and scan the QR code. And that's it, the band is now paired with your phone. Now let's go through the features. So here we are on the watch face, and guys, the first thing I noticed here that the quality of the display is very good, and I really like the crisp and the vibrant display of this band. And about the watch faces, you can switch between different watch faces by long pressing on the screen, and also you get plenty of cloud-based watch faces through the companion app. Swiping down from the top will show you the quick settings, and here we have the battery saving mode, DND, torch, brightness, and about the brightness, we don't get the auto brightness support in this band. After that we have the theater mode, find phone, and the settings of the band. You also have the widgets in this band which you can access by swiping left or right on the watch face, and here we have things like activity, heart rate, weather, and so on. Now to access the main menu, you will need to swipe up on the watch face, and here we have the menu. And guys, here I must mention that the touch response is very good, and we didn't notice any major lag in the animations. So in the menu first we have the PI, which will show you a score based on your fitness activities, and then we have the heart rate, and here the data is quite accurate, and during our testing we noticed that the heart rate detection is fast, and you also get the continuous heart rate monitoring, which works pretty good. After that we have the SpO2 monitoring, and here as well the data is quite accurate. And then in this band we have my favorite feature, which is the one tap measurement, and here in this the band will measure your heart rate, SpO2, and stress in one go. After that in the menu we have the workouts, and here in this fitness tracker we get 120 plus sports modes which are neatly categorized, and this is the interface you get while working out. Then in the menu we have the workout history and workout status, and here in this you can see things like training load, VO2 max, and recovery time for workouts. After that we have the stress monitoring, which basically shows you a score letting you know how stressed you are. And guys, about the stress monitoring, we do get the auto stress monitoring support in this band. After that we have the activity, which will show you the current day's fitness data. And then in the menu we have the sleep, and here in this you can see your last night's sleep details, and during our testing we found this data quite accurate. And after that we have the weather, which will show you the current temperature and also the sunrise and sunset timings. And then here we have the weather forecast for the upcoming few days. Then in the menu we have the music controls, and with this band you can control the music playing on your phone, and you can also increase or decrease the volume. After that we have the alarm, which you can set from the band itself. And then we have the calendar, and here you can swipe up to go to the next week. And then we have the settings, which we will check in a moment. We also have this more menu, and in this we have the sun and moon, and here you can see the sunset and sunrise timings. Similarly we have the moonrise and moonset timings. After that we have the cycle tracking for females, breathe, by which you can do some breathing exercises, and then we have the usual stopwatch, countdown with some preset timers. And then we have the Find Phone, World Clock, which you can set from the band itself. And then we have the to-do list, Pomodoro timer for better focus. And after that, we have the remote camera shutter by which you can control the camera of your phone. You also get the Alexa support in this band, but for some reason, it wasn't working for us, even though we have set it up correctly in the Zap app. One more thing worth mentioning here is that you get the mini app support, and from the companion app, you can add more apps from this list, which is very good. Now coming back to the settings of this band, first we have the watch face and time format settings, and then we have the display, and here we have the brightness settings, screen on time, always on display, and as it's an AMOLED screen band, you get the always on display. And here in this, you can choose the AOD style to follow the watch face or choose manually from the available watch faces. After that we have the race to wake feature, which works perfectly in this fitness tracker. And then we have the theme style, and we can select the icon style from the available 3 options. Now coming back to the settings, we have the vibration settings, and after that we have the auto workout detection, which works for running, walking, elliptical and rowing. After that we have the preferences, and here we have the D&D, lock screen, widget and app list customization option. And then finally we have the system menu, and here we have the usual power off, reset and the restart option. So that's all the features we have in this band. And now about the app. So we have featured this app many times in our previous videos, so I'll be covering just the main features. So here we are on the homepage, and from here you can see the fitness data, and you can also tap on any of these cards to see the historical data. And then we have the settings of the band. So on the top we have the remaining battery, and here you can see your last charging time. And for us, we have charged the band 6 days ago, and the remaining battery is 23%, which is not that bad, as we have the continuous heart rate monitoring set at 1 minute, and we have turned on the other options such as auto stress, SpO2 and assisted sleep monitoring, along with the sleep breathing quality monitoring. And with all these features turned on, the average battery drop was 15% per day. Now coming back to the band settings, then we have the watch face store, and you get plenty of options for this fitness tracker. After that we have the notification settings, and here you can select the apps for which you want the notification on your band. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. So in this band, you can silent or reject the call or send a quick reply message, which is very good. And now about the app alert. So we don't get the quick reply option, but you do get the emoji support in this band. After that in the settings, we have the app store where you can download the mini apps. And then we have the band settings, which are the same as the settings we have in the band. So overall the Amazfit Band 7 is a very good fitness tracker which offers good design, build quality and features. You're getting an AMOLED display and the touch response is very good. We have tested this band for almost a week and we found the data quite accurate. Sleep tracking, heart rate, SpO2 and the stress monitoring data was spot on. This band is also quite comfortable on the hand and I didn't face any problem wearing it all day. And also during our testing, we didn't see any disconnection issues and we got proper alerts for calls and other apps. So is this band worth buying? I can say at ₹2,999, this fitness tracker is for sure value for money. And the Zepp OS in this band offers a lot of features. And I was just missing a physical button on this band. And apart from that, everything else is perfect in the Band 7. So if you're in the market for a fitness tracker for daily usage, then the Amazfit Band 7 will not disappoint you. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Amazfit Band 7. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about this fitness tracker in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadgetgig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.